All right, let's move on to problem 4. 4A, the direction says, measure the length of ribbon A with your centimeter ruler and your paper clip. Write the measurements on the lines below. Well, here's my centimeter ruler. And the length of ribbon A is about 10 centimeters. And during this assessment, all of the kids were given a paper clip the same size. And during our measurement unit, we learned the method of mark and move forward. So we set down the paper clip one time and we make a little mark. That's one paper clip. Move it forward. We also learned the word precise. We need to be very precise when doing anything, when working with measurement of any kind. We mark, then we move that paper clip forward, and we can see that ribbon A is just a tiny bit more than 3 paper clips long. So I'm going to go ahead and write 3 paper clips. Explain why, letter B, explain why the number of centimeters is larger than the number of paper clips. Use pictures or words. Well, when I looked at the centimeters, I saw that they were a lot smaller than the paper clips. And that's why I needed so many more. Centimeters are smaller than paper clips. So that's why more centimeters are needed. So that's why more centimeters are needed than paper clips. Okay. Let's take a look at the next question, and that is letter C. And letter C says, estimate the length of ribbon B in paper clips. And to do an estimate, we know that that means we're just taking a look and giving our best guess. It's not an actual measurement. So I'm going to look at ribbon B. I think, how many paper clips could I fit there? I'm going to say it's definitely more than one, quite a bit more than one. In fact, it looks like almost 2 paper clips could fit there. So I'm going to give 2 paper clips as my estimate. Letter D, how much longer is ribbon A than ribbon B? Give your answer in centimeters. Well, we learned to look for keywords that tell us which math operation to use, particularly focusing on the keywords for addition and subtracting. For addition and subtraction, we know that how much longer means we need to subtract. And when we measured ribbon A, we saw that that was 10 centimeters long. But I don't think we measured ribbon B in centimeters. No, we just measured ribbon A in centimeters. So let's go ahead and measure ribbon B. Put the 0 on the end point, and I see ribbon B is about 5 centimeters long. So when I find out, in order to find out how much longer one is than the other, I'm going to write a subtraction equation, 10 minus 5. And like I said earlier, we spent a good deal of time in September and October making and breaking 10. And I do know what 10 minus 5 is. I know that it's 5. I'm going to also draw a visual. This is called a 10 frame. We use a 10 frame in math because our brain can count 5 with just our eyes. We don't actually have to count one by one. So I see 2 rows of 5 makes 10, and this is a full 10 frame. If I were making 8, for example, then I would do a full row of 5 and then 3 more. So 5, 6, 7, 8. But here's how I would show 10 minus 5. Here's 10, and I'm going to take 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 5. So the question was, how much longer is ribbon A than ribbon B? The answer, ribbon A is 5 centimeters longer than ribbon B. And I'm going to underline the important part of my answer and then circle my whole sentence to draw attention to that. Letter C. Vanessa is using the ribbons to wrap a gift. If she tapes the ribbons together with no overlap, how many centimeters of ribbon does she have altogether? Well, altogether is a key word for the operation of addition. So I'm going to take the centimeter lengths of both ribbons, which were 10 and 5, and I'm going to add those together. And I know that 10 plus 5 equals 15. That's 0 ones plus 5 ones equals 5 ones. And 1 10 plus no 10s equals 1 10, 15. My question, how many centimeters of ribbon does she have altogether? Vanessa has 15 centimeters of ribbon. Underline that and circle my sentence. Here's the last question. If Vanessa needs 20 centimeters of ribbon, how much more does she need? Well, she needs 20, but she already has 15. So I'm going to take that 15 away, and that's going to tell me how much more she needs. How much more does she need? I'm going to model this problem on a number line, and I'm going to make that number line go from 20 down to 15. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. So how many jumps was that? That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. 20 minus 15 equals 5. So how much more ribbon does Vanessa need? Vanessa needs 5 centimeters more. Pardon my circle. I hope this has been helpful for you and that it's a stepping stone to more discussion between you and your child to strengthen their understanding of measurement and the 2nd grade standards for measurement. Hope this video leads to more discussion between you and your child and